Butterflies that won't sit still. Is that a nervous feeling? A brand new day, a brand new place. When my tummy feels all wiggly, it's okay, Pip, I'm here. What if they don't like me? We'll try together. You'll shine. Pixel, did you hear that? I did. It sounds a little scary. Let's go see. Okay, I'm right behind you. A brand new day, a brand new place. It's okay, Pip. I'm ready right now. Yay! Let's go. A brand new day, a brand new place. My backpack will keep me safe. Pixel, let's go explore together. It's a bit scary. Don't worry, Pip. Okay, I'll try. A brand new day, a brand new place. A tiny, shaky, that thrill. It's so thrilling. When my tummy feels all wiggly, it means I'm feeling nervous. But Pixel helps me feel better. We can be brave together. A tiny shaky thrill. It's okay, Pip. The curtains are waving. Okay. A tiny shaky thrill. It's okay, Pixel. We can do it together. Let's go. And my feet don't want to go.
That's my brave heart waking up. That's my brave heart waking up.
It's okay to take it slow.
Step by step, watch us grow.
Feel the green light in your heart, a brand new start.
I'm not sure I can do it. It's okay to feel unsure. But what if I can't? We'll try together. See? I'm a little nervous, Pixel. Just a little soft and slow. Okay, I'll try. I did it! That was fun! Every step is something new. What's waiting there for me? A new adventure, I see! Can you show me your brave face? Okay, like this? Yes, that's it. I'm brave. You are. Great job.
Little steps can lead the way. To a game I haven't played.
It looks fun. Let's go. What if fun is waiting there? Look, Pixel, the toys are waving. Let's go see. Wow, look at that warm light. It's so pretty. What if smiles are too? Yeah, smiles are magic. They are. What if brave means just one step? One step! That looks fun. Okay, let's try. I did it! That was fun. Yeah, happy. Wiggle, wiggle, shake it out. Wiggle, dance about. Spin around, happy shout. Wiggle, wiggle, move it out. Clap your hands and turn up. 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 What are you doing, Pixel? I'm bouncing. It's a dance. A dance? Can I try? Yes! Dancing is brave. I'm brave. Let's dance. Wow, the room is glowing. It's pulsing with light. It feels a little different. Let's try to explore. Okay, let's give new things a chance.
I am brave in my own way. I can try and face the wave with my friend. I am brave in my own way. I can try a little today. Just a little step each day. I'll feel so brave along the way.
Brave is not a giant leap, but I'm a little scared. It's okay. Take a smile. Like this. Yes, you brave. Brave is a small step. I'm a little nervous. Tiny steps will help me see. Okay, I'll try. I'm doing it. Yay! Keep going, Brave. Brave is not a giant leap, Eve. It's not? It's lots of small, brave steps. Oh, I can do small steps. That's the spirit, Pit.
It's the promises I keep.
I like that. It's about keeping promises.
The promises I keep. One small step is all I need.
Go on, Pip. You can do that. Come play with us. Okay, this is fun.
Here. All the things I can be. All the things I can. All of faith. All the things I can be.